Picking up at page 3. The following 3 points lie on the graph of the same plan. 2 of the points have missing coordinates. Find the missing coordinate. Explain how you found it. So if I go back and look at my graph, I'm looking for 7. And actually, you know what? I'm going to look at the table. I'm looking for 7, -7, and 13. So going back in here, -7. Oh, that's not on there. Bummer. Which means it's not going to be on my graph. So I'm going to have to use my equation skills. So y equals 5x minus 3. Y equals -x plus 6. And y equals 2. I can eliminate y equals 2 because 13 doesn't equal 2. So I'm going to try these two. So 13 equals 5 times -7 minus 3. Well, that doesn't work because this is 3 equals -35 minus 3. So 13 can't equal -38. So that means that it's going to come from here. Just to prove that point, 13 equals the opposite of -7 plus 6. The opposite of -7 is 7, so we have 7 plus 6, which indeed is 13. So now we can find the missing coordinate. So here we go. We can go y equals -1.2 plus 6. So that means y equals -1.2 plus 6. 6 minus 1.2. That's borrow there. That's 8. 5 minus 1 is 4, so that's 4.8. Then over here, we had 4 equals -x plus 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. That equals -2 equals -x. We divide both sides by -1, and x equals 2. So write a question for each missing coordinate. So in this case, we were missing the dollars. So it would be how many dollars are earned by walking 1.2 kilometers. Over here, we were missing kilometers. So it's how many kilometers are earned, are walked if $4 is earned. So now we're going to look at the skateboard problem. A local department store offers 2 installment plans for buying a $270 skateboard, a fixed weekly payment of $10.80, and a $120 initial payment plus a $6 per week. So write an equation to represent each plan. So we're going to let y be the money left to pay for the skateboard. And if that's the case, then we're going to start off at $270, and we're going to subtract $10.80 each week. That's plan 1. Plan 2, we're going to start off at $270, but we're going to decrease that by $120, because that's an initial payment. And then we're going to, again, remove $6 each week. So this plan right here would probably be better written as $150 minus 6x. For each plan, how much money is owed after 12 weeks? 12 weeks is our x value. So y equals 270 minus 10.8 times 12. I don't have a calculator on hand, so 10.8 times 12, that's a 6, carry the 1, that's a 0, drop it down, that's 2, there's a 0, there's a 108, Then we've got 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 0 is 2, and so move the decimal point. After 12 weeks on Plan 1, the amount of money owed, oh, wait, whoa, hold on, I'm not there yet. What I have so far is I have that 270 minus $129.60. So we subtract 0.0, gonna borrow, it's gonna be a 9, that's gonna be a 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4, so we have 40 cents. 9 minus 9 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 8. We're still gonna owe $180.40. On the other plan, it's 150 minus 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is 72. So we're going to borrow. Becomes a 10. This becomes a 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 14 minus 7 is 78. Well, 14 minus 7 is 7, sorry, which gives us 78. So which plan requires the least number of weeks to pay for the skateboard? Explain. Well, it sure looks like the second plan is going faster. But the better way to figure this out is by saying, hey, when is the money I owe going to be 0? And so we're going to solve this for 10. Well, we're going to solve this for y equals 0. So if we look here, if we subtract 270 from both sides, we get negative 270 equals 10.8x. Okay, I have to admit at this point, I'm going to pull up a calculator. I just don't feel like doing this part in my head right now. 270 divided by 10.8 gives me 25. So we divide 10.8, divide by 10.8, and x equals 25. So plan number 1 is going to take 25 weeks. There's a shock and a gasp that you should be astonished, because when we do the same thing, 0 equals 150 minus 6x. When we subtract 150 from both sides, we get negative 150. Oh, that was a negative 108 there. Equals negative 6x. Divide both sides by negative 6. Gasp, no way. Both plans will take 25 weeks to pay off. Check your pulse, because that's crazy. All right, we're going to leave you with that cliffhanger. Page 4, next video.